to one and all. I'm Venkatesham. I'm going to discuss about some of the relations in the concentration terms in dilute solution chapter. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the relation between molality and molarity. What is the molality and molarity? Molality is simply LITY and RITY. This is molality is a number of moles of a solute present in 1 kg of the solvent. Molarity is a number of moles of solute that can be present in 1 liter of the solution is it's a molarity, right? And consider there is a A is a solute throughout this derivation or a relation and its weight is WA and B is a solvent and its weight is this is WB and its gram molecular weight is GM or WB and its gram molecular weight is so this is a gram molecular weight of solute GMWA. Okay, right? As all we know that there is a weight of solution is equals to, and we can write here it is a weight of solute plus this is the weight of solvent. As for the molality definition, small m is equals to this is the weight of solute WA by it is a gram molecular weight of solute GMWA into, so this is 1000 divided by this is the weight of solvent WB. And molarity definition we can write this is a WA by here it is a gram molecular weight of solute GMWA into this is 1000 divided by this is the volume of the solution capital V, right? Here in this molality you can substitute that WB. Here we can write weight of solution minus weight of solute and I can write molality equation as a WA by this is a gram molecular weight of solute GMWA into, so this is 1000 divided by it is a WB. I can write down as a weight of solution minus this is a weight of solute. Okay, so as all we know that as per the density definition, density of a solution is equals to this is the weight of solution divided by its volume of the solution. So you can write this weight of solution capital W, weight of solution is equals to D into V. You can write density of a solution into its volume of the solution, that you can substitute in the above equation so I can write here molality, that is a WA divided by its a gram molecular weight of solute GMWA into, so this is 1000 divided by, so you can write this is a density of solution into its volume of solution minus this is a so weight of solute. Okay, so in this expression you can take the V is a common whenever V I am taking here V is not there, so that WA divided by V will get so I will write molality small m is equals to, so this is a WA by GMWA into this is 1000 divided by here it is a V I am taking common in this expression if I will take V is a common, already here D will left over, here W by A you will get so that I am writing separate here 1 divided by this is here it is D you are take V you are taking the common, only D will be left over here, so that I can write a D minus this is a WA divided by here it is the volume of the solution, so WA divided by the volume of the solution. Actually as per the basic definition of molarity, this whole term is nothing but it is a molarity capital M. So as for the basic definition of molarity, we will write this whole term should be equals to the capital M so that I can write here this is a capital M into So here as for the basic definition of molarity, and this whole term will be equals to the its molarity, and the molality is equals to capital M into capital M divided by this is a D minus this is the weight of a solute divided by this is a volume of the solution. So I'm multiplying and divide the expression with 1000 here I'm multiplying and dividing with 1000. So we will get 1000 and 1000 will get cancelled, again you will get the same thing. So I can write this is a here molality is equals to this is a M into this is a 1000 divided by here 1000 into its density of the solution here, and here also there is a density of solution. So here density of solution minus this is WA into this is 1000 divided by its volume of the solution. As for the basic definition of molarity, here WA into 1000 divided by volume, this whole term will be equals to the M into gram molecular weight of solute. So I can write this M into gram molecular weight of solute is nothing but this whole term, this is in WA into 1000 divided by volume is it's M into gram molecular weight of solute. So that I can write here molality is equals to this is capital M into 1000 divided by this is 1000 into density minus this whole term will be equals to the molarity into gram molecular weight of solute, capital M into, so this is a gram molecular weight of solute. So this is a relation between the molarity and molality. Molality small m equals to capital M into 1000 divided by 1000 into density of the solution minus this whole term according to this molarity definition, and molarity into gram molecular weight of solute. So this is a relation between the molality and molarity.